Welcome to the overview of Yoga FSM reports. I am Julia Robinson, Director of Client Success, and I am excited to show you an overview of our new reports that will provide real-time visibility across your entire AP operation. We start with the AP Leadership Dashboard, a live executive-level view of payable health. The payment timing summary shows exactly what's due and when, and AP aging breaks down past due exposure by risk bucket. Vendor distribution ranks your top 10 vendors by volume and spend, fully interactive right on the dashboard. At the bottom of most of our reports, you will also find an FAQ section to answer your most common questions. Flip to the early payment discount mode for a completely different lens on the same data. Discount windows are tracked by days remaining, so your team can see every capturable dollar before it expires. The subscription report tracks contract utilization across invoices, EDI, and packing slips. You can see year-to-date usage, monthly pace against target, and a projected year-end outlook, so there are no surprises when it comes to your renewal. STP and Touches measures automation health, straight-through processing rates for PO, non-PO, and service contracts, the share of invoices that were completely touchless month over month, and the average field touches and changes made by Yoga and your users. The Open AP Accrual Report captures every outstanding invoice liability in one snapshot. Filter by queue, aging status, or invoice type. Jump straight to a vendor or a single invoice. You can also search on a minimum amount. Click any vendor on the left to drill into their open invoices and what queue they are in on the right. And the full invoice detail is one click away from Excel with the Export button. The Queue Explorer answers the what's sitting in my queue and why, slice by queue, reason code, vendor, or who last routed the document, with quick toggles for EDI only and past due only views. Aging, top reason codes, and top vendors update with every filter. The lifecycle report has two views. First, invoices by day, by processor. Green days mean the team cleared more than arrived, and the processor leaderboard shows who's posting the most volume to the ERP. Filters include invoice type, or you can search by specific vendor, or invoice search with type ahead search capability. Below is every processed invoice, filterable, sortable, and exportable. The second view maps the full invoice journey. The most common route, the queue where invoices dwell the longest, and total volume cleared to payment. Each invoice's timeline shows exactly where it sat and for how long. Bottleneck analysis at a glance. In the table, Yoga shows every invoice sent to the ERP. In the export, it displays every route, processor, and time in queue. And the best part, if you click on any invoice anywhere in the application, it opens the live Yoga form with full document, information, and data. Back in reports, the purchase invoice resolution queue tracks bottlenecked invoices and payment risk. Search by reason code, vendor, or router at the top. The aging and reason code wheels are fully interactive. Hover over those for live counts and dollars. Review which vendors are most commonly landing in PIR. There are two tables located below, the queue detail and user productivity, so you can see who is processing out of the queue and back into AP review. The duplicate vendor report flags the amount of duplicates captured in Yoga, the number of unique vendors, and the value protected. Export the duplicate vendor section to show all invoices for all vendors for the period. The charts break duplicates down by type and reason, and the multi-source shows which vendors are sending duplicates by multiple avenues, email, paper, or EDI, for example. The vendor maintenance report shows every invoice waiting on vendor setup or master data fixes. Set your internal SLAs for vendor corrections for internal accountability and use the aging buckets. The reason code matrix shows why they're stuck, and the full list exports in one click. EDI report tracks intake volume, straight-through rate, and exception trend, queue health, top vendors routed to review, and priority exceptions are all based on the dynamic date range, and all are exportable. And finally, packing slip management. Scan intake by location, company, view your straight-through rates and processing, and queue aging, all with processing detail ready to export. Yoga FSM reports are now available in your Yoga dashboard. Reach out to me with any questions or to have a hands-on demo with your data. Thanks for joining.